Alright, so here is your iPhone portable power bank with the magnetic wireless charging feature. It has a kickstand that lets you have the phone stuck via magnetism for vertical or horizontal viewing. And I got this, and though this device is advertised as an iPhone, look at the link above. You can get a 2-pack of these for $10, and stick it to the back of an Android, where the plastic would be your phone here, and the adhesive would be on your phone, and it is stuck on there with a strong magnetic force. For those Android users, I will put that link in the bottom too. They're about $5 a ring on average. And charge it up on the side or on the bottom. There's a USB-A out, USB-C out. Shows you how much percent charge it is there, and yeah. I'm gonna record with my phone. You're gonna hear the sound of it snapping on here. There you go. Alright, here's a still of the phone on the kickstand, magnetically held there. iPhone or Android, sticks great. Alright, here you go. So, you heard me clip it on the back of the phone. I grabbed one of my other phones so you can tape it, see it, what it looks like in the kickstand form. Sideways, and demonstration here. This is me pretty vigorously shaking this. And as you can see, just so you know, this is an Android phone. So
if you're always on the go like I am, you'll see that this is going to become your best friend. I honestly don't go anywhere without bringing it with me, as I always forget to charge my phone. So here I am with 12% battery, and I have to attend to an event. I simply bring this guy along with me. The battery really holds its charge, and just like that, you plop it on there, and we're charging. Just like that. Just like that. It's pretty crazy. I am not running out of juice in the middle of important events, especially since I use my phone to film most of the events that I go to. So this is great. There's a little stand as well that really just stays like that. I mean, I've been called a nerd for using it this way, but I found it very practical. So yeah, there are nothing but benefits to this little item. I'm even considering maybe buying another one just so I never run out of juice, because I mean, it's just that easy. You simply plug it in, charging. It shows you as well the battery level.
So this has been charging like this for several hours, split through several days. It's been stuck at 49%, and when I unplug it and then if I turn it on, it just flashes 188 and it won't charge.
Bien apretado. Y a las 3. 1, 2, 3. Muy bien, quita. Guida, ve al establo. Ve.
Well, I haven't had it that long, and it won't charge. It won't stay charged. It stays on all day. It's been on 12% for probably 2 days.
Okay guys, this is the power bank. It's amazing. It's very, very small and smart. I love it. It's like 10,000 million parts, but some are magnetic.